Hi, this is Irene Fox, and this video is a very serious video. I'm going to say a speech. The storm known as Hurricane Irene tore across the mid-Atlantic on Saturday, August 21st, 2011, and slammed into the Northeast Sunday morning. Irene remains a massive storm, but its winds are horrible, and it was moving north twice as August 21st, 2011. The top winds are as well below the 74 miles per hour. Irene is blamed for at least 15 deaths, mostly from falling trees. From North Carolina to Pennsylvania, the damage is not as severe as some feared. However, officials were warning of the possible of flooding over the few days. The storm knocked out power to more than 4.5 million homes and businesses. That's all I have to say. And also, it tore down over a bunch of beach houses in North Carolina, especially the one I was in. So please, support hurricanes. You should.